required in the Green Park, the Ginza subway line, the Asakusa subway line, and the Yurikamome line.
Look at this beautiful view. Beautiful, especially on a nice clear day like today. Did some Pokemon hunting, and we're about to do some more inside of the Yokohama Landmark Tower Mall. We're gonna go to the Pokemon store, check that out. I heard it's another mega Pokemon center. There's not many people out.
It's a working center.
Yokohama Landmark Tower Mall, but it's a type of variety restaurant where they serve different types of foods. Like they serve Japanese food, they serve like Western style Japanese food, Chinese food, noodles. So it's like a really popular restaurant for businessmen and associates and sometimes families to come, because then one person get one thing, another person get another. We both got omelet rice. My version has like a demi-glace with ketchup on top, and Gui got a beef curry omelet rice, and we're waiting for the food right now, so I'll show you once we get it. The Shin-Yokohama Ramen Museum is a popular food-themed amusement park where you can eat ramen from renowned shops across Japan in just one location. It costs 310 yen per adult to enter. There's several displays on the first floor that explains the history and flavors of ramen in Japan. I learned that there are 5 elements of every ramen, and that there are unlimited ramen recipe combinations. The ramen shops are located downstairs in the first and second basement levels. Down there, you'll find a traditional street food court with 9 ramen shops. The theme is set to a streetscape of 1958 Japan, the year that ramen came over to the country. The ambiance is incredibly detailed and really takes you back in time. There There's also a dagashiya, an old-fashioned style sweets shop selling classic Japanese sweets and toys. Their shop lists change frequently, so you can try different variations of ramen every single year. We wanted to eat several bowls of ramen, but our stomachs could only handle 2 bowls each. I highly recommend you go more hungry than we did. The more ramen, the better. The first ramen we got is a soy sauce based ramen. The soup is from dried tuna and kelp. The noodles are straight and not thick or thin, like medium, and the soup is supposed to be kind of light. The broth has a lot of flavor, and the green onion has good fragrance to that. The noodles are so perfect. They're not too chewy, but they're that perfect like biteness to it. The porks are in chunks, and I would actually prefer the chunks to be a little softer, but it has good flavor. I love that green onion. The bamboo shoots are nice and crunchy. Spicy Miso Ramen. The noodles are super thick and wavy. The red spice is right on top of it, and it comes with bamboo shoots, a slice of pork, Naruto fish cake, some green onions, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Try the broth first. Oh wow. It's delicious. I gotta try with the spice now. Oh my gosh. That is great flavor. Wow. Good spice to it. The noodles are super chewy, very thick, and it, like, the spice coats them perfectly. It's great flavor. I like the oil that they use on it too. Try the pork. Fatty tender pork. There's nothing better than that.